The PSB CS500s and CS1000s are specifically designed for outdoor speaker applications, and today we're going to show you just how simply and easily they can be installed. To get things started, here's a list of the items you'll need. For a masonry application, you'll need a hammer drill, masonry bit, impact driver or appropriate screwdriver, some concrete screw anchors or plug anchors to make sure the speaker is securely fastened to the masonry. For a wood application, a regular drill or an impact driver, an appropriate screwdriver, and some weather-resistant screws are a good idea. These are the most common applications, but there are numerous others, so just be sure to use the appropriate hardware for your application. In either case, a small handheld level will make sure your installation looks its best. After running your wires from your amplifier or receiver, remove the speakers from the box and remove the mounting bracket. Install the two locking screws loosely for now. These can be adjusted later once the speakers are in place. Locate the bracket. It allows for both horizontal and vertical applications. Level it and mark your holes. Pre-drilling your holes in wood is never a bad idea, especially if you're close to the edge. In masonry, you'll have to pre-drill every hole. Fasten the bracket to the wall or post with the appropriate hardware. Now that you've got the mounting bracket attached, remove the binding post cover and prepare your wires. You'll need to do this for each speaker. For some outdoor applications, you can use bare wire or spade terminals depending on your needs. Replace the binding post cover to protect them from the weather. Reattach the speaker to the bracket. Tighten down the locking screws and the thumb screws. If you need to readjust, loosen the screws, adjust to the desired position, and tighten everything down. Repeat this process for both left and right speakers. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and you'll be out enjoying the sun while listening to your favorite tunes in no time. Thanks.